Today, we're checking out a great opportunity for affordable home ownership right here in Brookings, South Dakota. Welcome to 410 Medary Avenue South, number 7, located in the Colonial Village Mobile Home Park. One of the things that makes this property so appealing isn't just the home itself, it's the location and what comes with it. So let's go take a look. Colonial Village offers a convenient location with easy access to many of the things that make Brookings such a great place to live. Just minutes away, you'll find schools, parks, shopping, restaurants, and everyday conveniences. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, meeting friends for dinner, or enjoying a day outdoors, you're never far away from where you want to be. Brookings continues to be one of Eastern South Dakota's most desirable communities thanks to its strong economy, excellent schools, beautiful parks, and vibrant community events throughout the year. Outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate the nearby parks, and in any direction, access to bike and walking paths and recreational opportunities throughout the city. Whether it's an evening walk, a bike ride through town, or spending time with family and friends at one of Brookings' many community spaces, there's always something to enjoy. South Dakota State University is also just a short drive away, bringing energy, entertainment, sporting events, and educational opportunities to the community year-round. One of the nice features of Colonial Village is its affordability. With reasonable lot rent compared to many communities, residents can enjoy a cost-effective housing option while still being close to everything Brookings has to offer. Now let's step inside. This home offers over 750 finished square feet with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom that creates comfortable and practical living space. The layout is designed to make the most of every square foot, providing functional living in areas that are easy to maintain and enjoy. A couple of updates include a newer furnace and central air conditioning system, giving the next owner added peace of mind and year-round comfort. Outside, the covered carport provides convenient parking and protection from those South Dakota changing weather conditions. Whether you're looking for your first home, downsizing, or searching for an affordable housing option in Brookings, this property offers tremendous value. If you've been looking for an affordable home in a great Brookings location, 410 Medary Avenue South, number 7 deserves a closer look. For a personal showing, reach out to any one of the Home Team 605 agents and we'll be sure to get you in. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.